Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny. You'll always be pre-approved with us, and you can call me Alice. I'll be using Uber Chic Art Deco Elegance plate today. I've got Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails, and here are these beautiful Moonshine Manny polishes. You'll always be pre-approved with us is the purple one. Oh, yes, so pretty. And then the blue is You Can Call Me Alice. Both of them are stunning. Excuse me. We're going to go ahead and get started here. And this one is the blue one, the You Can Call Me Alice. It's kind of like in a jellyish kind of base, I think. You guys know I'm not really good at that description stuff. I am capping my free edge. And here we go with You'll Always Be Pre-Approved with Us. And I saw these two polishes sitting side by side in my bucket, and I was like, yep, I'm going to go ahead and put them together. I think they're going to look good together. I am having to cap that free edge there. It's not very much, but it's there. All right, here we go with our second coat. Oh my goodness. Look at all that glitter. Ooh, I love it. There we go. And a second coat for this other nail. You can see that builds up really nicely. Very pretty. Very nice. Ooh, shimmer, shimmer, glitter, glitter. And I've decided to go ahead and do a third coat. I know I typically don't do that, but, you know, with jellies or crullies, sometimes you need to. Or, you know, well, I need to. Sometimes I need to. You might, it depends on what you're planning on doing. Or you might like that little bit of visible nail line. That might be okay. It's all good. I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door. It's going to be my in-between top coat. And gonna cap that free edge. Getting a little blurry. And moving on to the next nail. Oh, that camera just blurs out. I am so sorry. I guess that's what happens when you use all this bling-tastic. There we go. All right, got that part done. Here's my swatch photo for those by themselves. And here we go with Uber Chic Art Deco Elegance. I got my monocle stamper for Maniology out and my H. La Cosadora scraper. I'll be stamping with Maniology, and this is pewter. And we're just going to get busy with some stamping. Do a kind of a thick line of the polish and then scrape across and roll that joker and pick it up. And this is going on the blue nail. You Can Call Me Alice nail. How pretty. I am going to clean the stamper off on a lint roller, and now I'm going to clean that plate with pure acetone. Here we go again. Let's get some polish on that plate. Give it a nice little scrape. Pick up the image. And then onto the nail. And then I'm going to use these little bitty, they kind of coincide with the other image, the full image that I used. But I'm going to use these little ones just as kind of accents on the other nails. Can clean that off and do it again. You know, I didn't have like a plan going into this one, so when like this one was one I envisioned, I just got out some stuff and started playing. I do use a little piece of tape sometimes to get parts up off the stamper that I don't want to actually accidentally end up on my nail. Clean that plate off. Here we go again. That's a big blob. All right. Oh, come on. Get it turned around, Tina. There you go. All right. And there we have it. I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get any of this polish up off of my skin that I can get off. My cuticles look hydrated, so I do believe I put some Burt's Bees around them so that cleanup would be easier and it would help protect the skin while I'm, cleaning it with acetone. Here we go with that cleanup brush. Gonna run down the side real quick and underneath and off frame with the other one. There we go. There we go. Silver's kind of one of those that, it gets everywhere. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Seal that design in without smearing it. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Awesome. Once that's dry, I'll be using Poshe top coat to finish these off. There we go. Love it. Oh, so juicy. I love the top coat. Oh, capping that free edge again. Oh, I just love those polishes. They're so pretty. Here we go. Got to get on there. Cap that free edge. Excuse me. And here's that polish in motion. And here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.